Hello everyone, this is Syed Saad, an actuarial analyst and data scientist. Guys, this is my first introductory video and here we will be learning to start Python programming from scratch. We will also be discussing how actuaries use Python for data analysis and handling big data in their daily job and how they are making it use in actuarial industry. Currently, many actuaries are focused on automation and making their work desk automated by getting rid of Excel, macros, and VBA. Guys, as you all know, actuaries and data scientists have many things in common. Like actuaries and data scientists share many of the same responsibilities, have same education and skill sets. They use many of the same techniques when analyzing data to make informed predictions about the future. Techniques include statistics, data visualization, and pattern recognition. Many of my student friends are interested in data science. They often want to know the main difference between actuaries and data scientists. It's my belief that actuaries of the future will incorporate a lot more data science into their day-to-day jobs. Many actuaries should therefore be learning more about how to deal with extremely large datasets and how to use machine learning techniques and be able to, when necessary, move beyond more traditional statistical methodologies. Hence, by looking at this enthusiasm of actuaries, I have created this YouTube channel. Here I will be able to share my Python programming videos where every actuarial student will learn how to code and design an actuarial program, automate their daily tasks and build several models in Python. You people are requested to kindly subscribe my channel, like my videos, and try to comment below if you have any queries regarding Python. For the same purpose, I have also created a website namely saadpytech.com which will bring all actuaries to a single platform where they can create their own blogs, share files, share Python code by interacting each other globally and to build more stronger actuarial data science community. Thanks for watching this video.